How are you? Maybe all you are fine at home. Okay. In last lecture we have learned all the concept of simple equation. Now we are going for our exercise. Exercise 4.1. Here I will write some question of the exercise 4.1. Remaining you have to do as a homework or as a test paper, whatever we will send to you. Okay, so let's start our first exercise. First exercise 4.1. What it says? Say whether the equation is satisfied, yes or no. So how can we say it is satisfied or no? So there are in the last year we have seen that equation has the two sides, left hand side and right hand side. Yeah. So here the equation has x plus 3, left hand side and right hand side. Here we start with the first question. X plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, so what is here? Left hand side x plus 3 and right hand side is 0. So we will take the left hand side. LHS is equal to x plus 3. Okay, now we put the value. Whatever is given in the bracket. What the value is given? X is equal to 3. So we put the value 3 in place of x. So what will be come here? 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. So what is the answer of the left hand side is 6. Yeah. So and what is our RHS? RHS is 0. So LHS not equal to RHS. So is it satisfied or not? So the answer is same or not? No. So what is our answer? No. What is our answer? No. Now we go for the second one. Where? We go for the second one. What is the second question? Second is x plus 3 is equal to 0. And what is the value we have to put? X is equal to 0. What the value we have to put? X is equal to 0. Let's take again LHS. What is the left hand side? What is the left hand side is given? X plus 3. And what value we have to put here? Which value we have to put here? 0. So 0 plus 3 is equal to 3. So what answer came in the left hand side? 3. And what is our RHS? 0. So RHS is 0. So LHS not equal to RHS. So it is also not satisfied. So what is the answer here? Again, no. We go for the third one. What is the third question? X plus 3 is equal to 0. And which value we have to put here? Minus 3. Okay? Which value we have to put here? Minus 3. Okay, so what? Again, LHS x plus 3. And value of the x is? We have to put here minus 3. So minus 3 plus 3. So minus and plus, it will be cut. Yeah, so what is the answer here? 0. LHS, what answer in the LHS? 0. And RHS also 0. Both answers are the same. Yeah, both answers are the same. The LHS is equal to RHS. So it is satisfied. So what answer will come here? Yes. Yeah, very good. So got it? How we have to find this answer? With these three examples we have seen that first we write the left hand side, we put the value of the variable and we check what the answer is coming with the RHS. If both the answers are same, the equation is satisfied. If answers are not coming same, equation is not satisfied. Okay, again we go for the fourth one. Okay, yeah, what is the fourth one says? X minus 7 is equal to 1. What value we have to put here? X is equal to 7. X is equal to 7. Let's start. LHS is equal to x minus 7. What the value of the x? 7. Yeah. So 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. What answer you are saying here? 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. And what is our RHS? Right hand side. Right hand side is 1. So LHS not equal to RHS. So LHS not equal to RHS. So what is the answer will come here? No. Now we go for the fifth one. What is our fifth question? X x minus 7 is equal to 1. X minus 7 is equal to 1. And what value we have to put here? X is equal to 8. So let's start. LHS is equal to x minus 7 and value of the x is 8. Okay, so what we put here? 8. 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. So what the value of the left hand side came? 1. And RHS, what is the value? 1. So RHS we write here. RHS is equal to 1. So LHS is equal to RHS. So equation satisfied. What the answer here? Yes. Understand, student, how to solve this type of question? We have taken here 5 examples only. Okay, there are 11 questions are there. So remaining you have to do at your as a your homework. Okay, समझ में आ गया? क्लियर है? ओके, डिक्टेट कर दो थोड़ी देर, फिर हम सेकंड क्वेश्चन पे जाते हैं. आई थिंक कर दिया होगा डिक्टेट. ओके, हम जा रहे हैं अभी सेकंड क्वेश्चन पे. Okay, second question. What is the second question? First, read the instruction. What is given to us? Check whether the value given in the bracket is a solution to given equation or not. What is given that? Check whether the value given in the bracket. So check here. One value is given in the bracket. Yeah. So we have to put this value in the equation and we have to check the solution is there or not. Whatever we have done in the first question, same method, same thing we have to do in the second question. So not to worry about it. Just start our question with the same method. What the first question is there? N plus 5 is equal to 19. What is that? N plus 5 is equal to 19. Yeah. And what value is given in the bracket? 1. Okay. Start the same method. Left hand side. What is our left hand side? N plus 5. Okay. N plus 5. What value we have to put here? 1. Okay. We will write here 1 plus 5. What will answer come? 6. What is our right hand side is given? 19. Is that matching? No. So we write here RHS is equal to 90. So LHS not equal to RHS. So is it a solution or not? So no, it is not a solution. We will write the statement here. So N is equal to 1 is not a solution of given equation. Got it? How to write the answer? Okay, now we go for the second one. B1. What is the B1 is given? 7n plus 5 is equal to 19. N is equal to, we have to put here, minus 2. Same method. Just write that left hand side. What is the left hand side is given? 7n plus 5. 7n plus 5. And value of the n is equal to minus 2. When minus value is given, we have to be careful about the sign. Okay, so not to worry, just easy things are there. Basics we have to be keep in mind. Yeah, 7 minus 2 plus 5. Okay, we have just put the value 7 in place of and we put the minus 2 plus 5. Now what answer will come? 7 to the 14. But here minus is given. Plus minus minus. Minus 14 plus 5. Minus 14 plus 5. What the answer will come here? 9. But it is minus or plus? Minus or plus? It is minus. Why? Because the bigger number is the minus. So answer will be a minus. The answer is minus 9. What is the right hand side is given? Our right hand side is given 19. Okay. Is that matching? No. So again, the n minus 2 is equal to, it is not a solution. So we write here LHS is not equal to RHS. So we again write the statement n minus 2 is not a solution of given equation. Again we go for the C1. Again we go for the C1. What is C1 is given? Same thing is given, but little bit change. 7n plus 5 is equal to 19. And what is the value of n is given? 2. Here minus 2 is given and here plus 2. Is not say it is simple change, but answer will be changed. Let's start. So what is the LHS is given? 7n plus 5 is equal to 9. Sorry, 7n plus 5. So what's the value of n? 2. We put the value of n. So 7 into 2 plus 5. 7 2s are 14. Okay, 14 plus 5. What the answer will come here? 19. And what is our right hand side is given? What is our right hand side is given? 19. It's matching. Both the answers are same. So we will write here left hand side is equal to right hand side. So we will write here statement that n is equal to 2 is the solution of given equation. Yeah. So remaining three question of this remaining three question of the main question you have to do as a homework. Okay, thank you. I hope you understand all this question. For the next question we go for the next video. Thank you.